Scottish Scrapper, and you've tuned in to Scrapping Scotland. It's great to have you along. I'm actually just nipping out at the moment because I got a little tip of goodies in a skip. There you go, you're in rhymes. So it's due to be thunderstormy this evening. So, you know, the items I think will probably be in the skip for the next couple of days, but I'd rather get in there while it's dry and get them out. If the tip is right, then it should be some industrial machinery in there. When I say industrial machinery, I think it's like floor polishers and things like that, so nice big long power cords, and hopefully some motors as well. But we won't know exactly until we get there how much there is. But hopefully there's some goodies, so thought I'd bring you guys along. Never really done a dumpster diving video, so this is a first for me. Hope you enjoy it. Alright everyone, so here's our dumpster tip. So as you can see, loads of electronics in there. Looks like hoovers. What'd you say, floor polishers? Aye. Loads of stuff there, loads of power cords anyway. And hopefully the big hoovers have got nice big motors in them as well, so I'm going to get in here and get as much as I possibly can. Alrighty. Huge power cords, like. One. I'll have to dive in. Not the most glamorous diving. One way to take it off. Loads of motors in here like that, so I like the stuff you can get in the car. There is some dumpster juice in the bottom of this as well. Obviously with this stuff there will be loads of motors, but there's no way I can get all this stuff in the car, so just need to be selective. As you see, if that big thing's so heavy because it's a motor, that's Barry. Stick that over there now. Trying to make too much noise and disturb everybody, but there we go. motor in there as well. Alrighty. I'll try and get some of the things that's got motors sitting on them so we can instead of staking the whole thing, we just take this bit out. That's where the motor is. Definitely dangerous, this thing on. That could be. The big heavy things would be good, but it's just too heavy for me, I'm afraid. Try to do this route, getting the juice on my feet. Ooh, lots of juice. Nice big bit of aluminium on the end of that as well. I can do that. Just like that. That's how you do that. A bit early there as well. Oh, that's minging though. That big minging rubber seal. I'll put that. That's definitely all I can get for that end. Now from the first side. That one. See if you can see because I'm not in. Yeah, I can see that. I think that'll do us, mate. I think that'll do us. Some of this stuff into the car. Alright guys, so as you can see there's still loads left here, and we made another wee trip back, but I've got most of the stuff that's got motors. I've got one of these big things that weighs an absolute ton. I'm hoping that's because it's got a huge motor in it, and if it has, then you know what, I may be back for the rest of them. But the reason I've left all this is because, you can see, and just to say this skip guys, it's a closed down hospital, so there you go. Now as I say, top of these, they've all got motors in them, yeah. There's some Hoover ones in there as well, so a couple of bits of aluminium in there as well, and lots of nice power cords. Let's have a look at the power cord there. Definitely copper in those ones. Sometimes you get them and it's like silver coated stuff, so tin coated copper. That's definitely nice bright copper wire. Alrighty, so that's us guys. So as I say, it was a fantastic little tip that, and we managed to get down before the rain started. Skies are actually looking not too bad now, as you can see. So it was looking very thunderstormy when it came out. Now it's actually looking lovely. It looks like it's going to be a nice evening, so I maybe didn't need to rush down. But this has been quite good to me, this hospital, to be honest, because you know, over the ground over here, this was all hospital grounds as well. It was all demolished, left as waste ground, and we've actually taken quite a bit of copper out of the ground here that's just been kind of lying around. Yeah, a lot of kind of different things, so it's been pretty good to us, this area. And I say, my mate gave me a tip on the skip, and as you can see, it's bore fruit. So that's it guys, I'll get back and I'll get this offloaded, and hopefully we can do a couple of videos with taking some of these motors apart. But on Scrapping Scotland, thank you for tuning in. As always, hit that like button if you like the video. This is my kind of first dumpster dive video, and it's hard work, so all you guys out there scrapping that is doing this on a permanent basis, out picking stuff from skips and dumpsters, more power to you guys, because it's hard work, that's for sure. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in guys, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next Scrapping Scotland. Bye now.